Everyone, so in today's video we will have a look on some concepts, some important points about the blink coding, right, or blink example, right. So this code that you are seeing in that screen is something we did in the last video. So if you don't understand the code, if you don't have any idea, so if you don't have anything unclear about the code, I want you to go back to the last video, have a look and come back to this video. So that's fine, right? So what I will do is now I will point out some important points on this. So you know what the pin mode is, and we are saying why we are saying that particular pin is an output, and how we are giving a digital output, and a delay, what actually delay means, and what is a 1000 means. That means 1 second, 1000 milliseconds. And again we switch off that LED and we are giving 1 second delay. So if you have a look on the last video, then now you will know what actually we are doing with this code. So that's fine. So let me say an important point here, like before that let me say the code, right? The Arduino programming is any programming normally, okay, any programming language, the program is running line by line, right? So Arduino will start from here, will go here, will go here, will go here, will go here, here and here. So from one line to another line, the programming moving, right? The code is moving, or let's say the Arduino is moving, the program is running line by line. So to go from one line to another line, it takes almost no time. So that means the code is that fast, running that fast. So let's say I write something like XYZ, something like this. So from going from the line 8 to line 9, the program takes almost no time. And from line 9 to line 10, it takes almost no time. But in the line 10, we forcefully make the program to wait 1 second. That is another thing, right? So but still, from one line to another line, it runs in almost no time. So if I write a timestamp, okay, within the void loop, let's not go for the void setup. Within the void loop, let's say I'm saying this time as t is equal to 0, okay, and this time, so the starting time, okay, starting time is also t is equal to 0. Why is that so? Because I say from one line to another line, it takes almost no time to go. But this time, this line, when the program goes to this line, it is almost 1 second, because we are forcefully waiting 1 second in this line, because that is what we have delay 1000, right? So when we are going here, it is almost t is equal to 1 second. And again, when we are going from this line to this line, again it is in this line, again it is in no time, okay. So let's say, oh my god, let's say t is equal to 1 second. Yes, 1, right? Because from 1 second we have no time, in no time we are going to the next line, so it is still t is equal to 1, time is equal to 1 second. And from this line to this line, I said no, in no time the program will go. And from this to, again we have to start from the void loop beginning, right? This line, still no time, we go. And from here also we go in no time. So here also we have t is equal to 1, okay. So the same one will be here, and then again it will be 1. Here we will have 2, because we forcefully wait for 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry, and I forgot to tell you, there's a mistake. This is 1, so we wait 1 second here. So when we are going to this line, it is almost 2 seconds, t is equal to 2. So that same 2 is here, so the same 2 will come here. So that's my mistake. So here also we will have 2. And when this line, when we come to this line, we have had another 1 second, right? So this is going to be 3 seconds. The same 3 will be here. So I hope this is understandable, right? So at t is equal to 0, the light is on. At the t is equal to 1, the light is off. And again t is equal to 2, it is on. Okay, again t is equal to 3, it is off. You see the on and off time? Everything is perfect, right? So now you can understand the program goes from one line to another line in no time. So why I am telling you this is, in case if I remove this delay, okay, let's say I'm removing this line, this particular line, okay, and then if I have something like this, so pin number 13 high and pin number 13 low, that means what? Both are actually happening in the same line, same time, okay, because there's no delay, okay, because t is equal to 0. So I will we'll have something like this. So since there is no delay, so this cannot be number 1, right? This t is equal to 1 will not be there. So still t is equal to 0 now. Yes or no? Yes, because there is no second line. So forget about the 3. The t is going to be 0 now, right? So I will delete this if you want. Okay. So still t is equal to 0. That means at the same time you are saying pin number 13 is high and low. So that is not correct. That is wrong, right? At the same time the LED is on and off. That is not acceptable, right? So that is, you can't have something like that, right? Some kind of opposite codings in next 2 lines. You cannot say that those are 2 different lines. No, both are happening in same time actually, right? From some concept, right? So the delay is that much important here. So now this t start from 0 and this line will start from 1. So opposite conditions at different times, that's totally fine. Here and here. I'm sorry, here and here. I'm sorry, it's not clicking. Here, also here and here. Okay, so different times, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 0. No problem, opposite condition, different times. So what if I remove this delay? Okay, let's say I'm removing this delay. Okay, the problem is what? Now we have on delay 1 second and we make it low. So you may think it is correct, but the problem is what? The program is going to reiterate once again. So when this finishes, when it comes to low, it is 1 second. So then there's no delay, right? So it will come to this line and it will come to this line, it will come to this line in no time. So the same last time will be here. So it will be 1 because this was 1, right? So with no time it will repeat. So it will come to the next line, next line, next line, and come to the first line. So this is the last line and this is the first line. So both somehow happens in no time, because after this last line we come here and we come to the first line actually. So no time, no delay there. So you can see at t is equal to 1 we make it low, and again at t is equal to 1 we make it high. You understand what I'm talking about? So at t is equal to 1 it is low, and again at t is equal to 1 you can see the 1, forget about the 0. Oh my god, it's not clicking, it's not getting clicked actually. Okay, now fine. Again at t is equal to 1 we make it high. So at the same time at t is equal to 1 you are telling this LED is low, and at the same time you are telling this LED is high. So at same time you have opposite commands. Okay, so we can't accept that, right? So at the same time, at one moment, at same moment you switch off the LED and you switch on the LED. So that cannot be accepted. So having a delay is that much important. So you cannot say, so this is the last line, so I make it off, so I don't care about the first line is high because there's a delay in between. No, you cannot do it, because after the first line, last line, again that first line is going to run. So I hope you can understand the concept, right? Because some people make this mistake. So I wanted to you to understand what actually this is about. Okay, why this is a mistake. Different opposite commands you can't give at same time, right? So you can give, you may not get the exact output. So I hope you understood what I came to say. So further things in Blink and further modification in Blink we will see in the next video. Until then, bye, have a great day ahead, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So bye.